Welcome to the final day of the 28th Southeast Asian Games in Singapore. The medal racetrack for 3 classes was set up in stunning Marina Bay.
It is a beautiful place. Audience, the people around, the public are just walking around the reservoir and looking at the racing, and it's a lot closer than in the open sea. The companies who are situated in the buildings are looking down and looking at the racing, so it's a wonderful, wonderful experience for them.
After a small delay waiting for the wind to fill in, races kicked off for the laser men team racing. The final between the 3 boat teams of Malaysia and Singapore was tough and incredibly close in points. Ever present in attack, Malaysia came out on top, sealing gold, with silver going to Singapore. In the laser radial team race, Singapore won the first race, but it only postponed their agony, as a second close match gave the win and top billing to Malaysia, doubling their gold medals in team racing. The final in the keelboat men's match racing event was the 3rd event of the day, featuring a head-to-head between the Philippines and Singapore. The advantage of home waters saw Singapore lead for most of the first match, but a mistake near the finish cost them the win. Victory in the medal-deciding match 2 again went to the Philippines, securing their first ever gold medal in the match racing event.
It really feels good because after 20 years of competing in the SEA Games, this is the first time I've already had 6 silver medals and 2 bronzes. But then this is the first time getting the gold.
Medal ceremonies took place against the impressive skyscraper skyline of Singapore, bringing the 28th edition of the Southeast Asian Games to a memorable close.